Alright, welcome back. Time for
Taco Tuesday!
Say what's up to our friends from Talent High to Nielsen. Find them on Facebook and also on Instagram. This one. Yeah. Alright.
It's a beautiful night.
Beautiful.
I love the night.
What?
I love this night.
Lord, mamatay na ako.
Are you ready, Jojo?
I'm ready.
Introduce the ladies once again. Because I know a lot of guys, they just tuned in right now because they know it's the time.
The time.
Hello.
First girl's name.
Now,
Yeah. The first girl's name is Katrina, and we have. Hi, Katrina.
Era.
Hi everyone, I'm Katrina Denise. So nice to be back.
And the other girl's name is Ira.
Hello, I'm Era Fernandez,
Yeah.
and first time guesting here.
Say hi, say hi.
Hi!
Say hi to your people.
So how did you start, Era? Since we know Katrina na,
We know her story.
kailan ka nag-start ng modeling?
Since modeling bago pa lang talaga ako.
Last week?
Hindi. Magsi 6 months.
Oh.
First time kong,
Lapit mo.
But you do a lot of nude photos.
first time ko sa photoshoot in outdoor, sumabak agad ako sa indoor. Hanggang sa pag-release ng mga photos, ayun.
So, but you do a lot of nude photos, like implied nudity.
Kita ko.
So
3 days.
That's your specialty.
who
Parang
actually
na rin, hinahanap ko yung click ng camera.
who asked you? Oh, can you do nude?
O trip mo lang talaga.
Ano lang, parang sa akin lang.
You enjoy it.
So you like to go naked. So, sa bahay, are you with clothes on or usually
Hubad ka lang.
nakubad ka?
Sa?
Sa bahay.
Hindi. Yung nakasando.
Saan? But when you sleep, pag tulog,
Panty.
Wow!
Happy siya.
panty ha? Panty lang?
Sando.
Sandon.
Na-imagine mo, Jojo?
Yeah, man. That's right.
Era, what's your Instagram?
Wala
wala.
pa
Instagram?
akong Instagram. Facebook. Era.
Lapit sa mic, lapit ka yan.
Era Fernandez, then Rhea Lumapas.
Yan.
Okay, just in case.
Don't push the mic. Don't push the mic.
Yeah.
Don't be afraid. It doesn't bite
Itutok.
you.
It won't jump in your mouth.
They can't hear you if you push it away. Just don't swallow it.
Tutok mo.
That's what Tony says. Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
Era, how wild are you? 1 to 10.
Mas, wild.
You?
So, lapas 10?
Yeah.
100%.
100%.
Wildest thing you've done?
Yeah.
You and some guy.
When you think about it, parang wow.
Or some
grabe.
girl.
Ginawa ko yun.
My second boyfriend.
Ano,
Oh.
what did you do?
Ang ginawa niya.
I don't care about the boyfriend.
Saying
I just want to know what you do. I don't really care about the guy, okay?
Saying what's up to Coach Bulk.
Oy, Coach Bok, what's up?
Baka nabuhay ka, ha?
Nagising!
Boki, napalo. Ayun pa yung tatanong sino girl si mamaya. Umaga.
Hi ka, Coach Bok. Hi, Coach.
Hello.
Nice thing you've done.
With your boyfriend.
Yeah.
Don't be shy. Your second boyfriend. You said.
Beach.
Go girl.
Ano?
Yeah.
Hotel.
Hotel lang.
That's it?
That hotel.
Hotel.
That's wild?
Okay.
Talaga?
But
Anong ginawa sa'yo?
wow.
Ako naman yung ako yung nagdala.
Dinala sa langit.
Ako nagdala sa kanya sa langit.
And I see you have a tattoo. How many tattoos do you have?
2.
Saan?
Oh.
Wow! Wow!
Well,
Is that love?
Infinity love.
Infinity.
Kasi wala na akong love.
But you're single.
Pinalagay ko na lang sa sarili ko.
Okay. Infinity love, and then you have an 8 with the love with it, right? And then on your wrist you have
Anchor.
an anchor.
Anchors away, yeah?
Okay. Why an anchor?
Stop it one day.
Buy one, take one.
You get one free.
Part siya ng buhay ko.
You used to date a
Mabigat.
seaman.
Tinimbang ko yung buhay ko kasi galing din ako sa broken family.
Ah, okay.
Oo.
Oh, that's a nice
Ma-
story.
galing sa bigat
Yeah.
at umangat sa taas. Then may mga manghihila pang pababa at least di ako nagpapahila pababa.
Damn, so deep.
Hilahin kita.
Our friends from Dubai are in the...
Oy, Dubai, what's
Ako
up?
ang nangihila.
Uy.
Nangihila.
So what are you looking for in a guy? Now, what's your ideal guy? Anong qualities na hanap mo sa isang lalaki?
Actually, wala pa sa isip ko. Kasi may anak kasi ako. Na,
Okay lang.
Ano,
May
parang
anak
wala
din
na
si
sa...
Jojo.
Parang
May
wala
anak
na
din-
sa
anak ko
isip ko.
May anak din si Sam.
Kasi...
Yung type mo?
Ha?
Kung foreigner ba o Pilipino?
Wala naman akong ano. Basta yung tapat lang. Tapos hindi na yung
The
maulit
size
si
matter.
daddy.
The size of his wang. Does that matter?
Excited siya.
Honestly.
Yeah.
Malaki man umaliit.
Basta meron.
Basta meron.
Basta meron.
Pwede, pasado.
Yung ano na, yung 8 inches na yun.
8 inches.
Wow.
Jo,
Charot.
you're short of 4.
4 lang ako. Pasado na ba ako? Yeah, dapat tayo dito.
No?
Pwede na.
Ito, game na.
Game na.
Game na.
Game na.
Yeah.
Hindi na mapunta.
Oh.
Alam na.
Alright. There we go. So, can you get one more?
Questions, you get the answer. You move on to the next round. Uy, speaking of questions, Pedro kanina, 20,000 pesos. 100 ang nanalo. Grabe.
There. One more. Here you go. Whoa.
Hoy, put your cellphone down.
Okay, no cheating.
No cheating yan.
No cheating.
I-tiklop mo yan.
Titiklat natin.
Yan.
Oh, yeah.
Yung data. Wait lang. Wag mo kasi
Okay,
tingnan
here we
mo.
go. No passes. 10 questions, and you know the deal. You get it wrong, then you take off a piece of clothes. And if Jojo gets it right, or whoever gets it right,
Hala! Huwag kayong mag-anuhan, ha?
Game.
All right, it could be music. It could be multiple choice. It could be fill in
Music.
the blanks. Here we go.
could be anything.
Anything.
Name this song.
Song na naman, ah.
Patay, OPM.
Okay na.
Patay. OPM.
How can you not know this song?
Oh my God. Hala.
4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, all of you.
What do you think it is?
It's Hail, pero I forgot the song.
I forgot the song too.
All right. Next.
Everyone take off.
Yeah.
No passes.
Okay.
No passes.
No passes. So everyone take off something.
It's title of the song. It's a Hail, di ba?
Yeah.
Hail.
Oh my.
Pwede ba dito?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Accessories yan. You know na lang.
Gano'n saan sa oras.
Ito na lang. Mamaya na yung mga sabog-sabog na dyan.
Okay.
Pwede mo kaliki.
Here we go.
Sa kalikili.
Question number 2. What is the capital of Australia?
Sydney.
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 Sydney. Jojo.
Canberra.
Canberra.
Hayop and Jojo.
Era? Nothing?
Nothing.
Okay.
Kasi Era parang nakijam lang dito.
Wala siya. Di ready.
Oh my
Napadaan lang.
Tumambay ka lang eh.
Napadaan lang.
Napadaan ka lang.
Jojo, congratulations, you are correct. Canberra.
Canberra.
Yeah.
Sydney is wrong.
Ito na.
Yeah, take off.
Ikaw. Bilis ni Jojo.
Kala niyo damit iti-take off ko, ah.
Nagbaon lang ako ng baon ako ng mga accessories.
Question.
Huwag kayo magguntsaba, ah.
Who played Neo in The Matrix? Who played Neo in The Matrix? 5, 4.
No way.
To Jojo.
Keanu Reeves.
Ano?
Keanu Reeves.
Keanu Reeves is correct.
Yes.
Ow.
Ah!
Name this tune.
Teka, tones na minamadali mo, tatanggal muna.
Natong yung...
Madali siya. Jojo, di ba?
Yeah.
Tones.
Just relax, calm down.
I
Yeah.
think she took off for something, right? The band.
Wala.
Wala pa, ito pa, oh. Tatlo pa.
All right. Watch. All right. Here we go.
Ito pa.
Name this tune.
Song.
Oy.
Ah.
5, 4,
Oh my God, sandali.
2, 1. Up. Time's up.
Ay, I forgot.
Take off something. Okay. Here we go. Listen. Jojo, Era.
See Toad's direct to the one. Take off something.
You can.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wala.
Let's see.
I try. Coldplay, The Scientist.
Coldplay.
The Scientist!
Wow.
I think it's Coldplay.
Ang layo.
Ah, yeah.
No.
No, take off.
Like
All
Coldplay.
of you guys.
The script.
Script, ah!
The man that can't be moved. Oh, I'm just a broken-hearted man.
Meron pa. Alam ko marami kang baon.
Take it off. Jojo, what'd you take off?
My belt.
Your belt?
Yeah.
Okay. Question. Can you name me at least 3 members of the original Viva Hot Babes?
Ay!
Yes.
Gwen Garcia, Maui Taylor, and JC Parker.
Anyone else? Jojo.
Maui Taylor, Andrea Del Rosario, and what's the name of the girl? Kat Santos. Kat
Kapsalaw.
Name Katrina Santos.
Anyone else? Era? Era. 4,
Ay!
3, 2, 1. You are all wrong. See, JC Parker was actually part of
The second?
the second.
The second, yeah. Jen Rosendal. I think Jen Rosendal.
Jen Rosendal.
Sendal. Andrea Del
The
Rosario.
first is lahat ng ex ni Sam. So first.
Oh, ano?
And Andrea Del Rosario and Maui Taylor.
Katya,
Di ba si
Andrea
Katya
Del-
Katya Santos.
Oh,
Katya,
di ba?
Jen Rosendahl,
Yeah.
Gwen Garcia, Miles Hernandez, Christine Jaca, Hazel Cabrera, Sherry, and Pam Sarmiento.
Alam mo kung sino ex ni Slick.
Si Toad. Ilang dyan.
Back in the days.
Anong Katrina Santos?
Ano,
Katya
bakit?
yun.
I seen this.
Okay, did you guys take off something?
Yeah.
All of you? Hey, bracelet counts as one now.
Nauubos na mga ano.
Question.
Yun.
Back to Philippines. Question.
Bakit pinatubot?
Nalipat na pinatubo. Nandito na sa Magic.
Kung baka magic ka.
Magic.
Ano?
Magic.
Yan. Gigil.
Magic.
What are the 3 primary colors? Go.
Ano daw?
3 primary colors.
Katrina.
Yellow, red, blue.
Yellow, red, and blue are correct.
Wow. Take off something, Jojo.
Yeah.
And,
Era.
Sapatos!
Pwede.
Polo.
Ayan! Kala nyo
Polo.
Name this tune.
The Universe.
Oh! Jojo, take off something. Era, take off.
Yes, we have it oh.
Rico Blanco, right? Universe.
The universe! Alright. Question.
Wait lang, di ko maano eh.
There goes the pants.
Tinagal mo.
Okay lang. No one can see. It's fine.
Yeah, no one can see.
Di
It's just
makikita.
under the table.
Nagulat. Yung friend ni Sam nag-shock eh.
Nagdoble. Does she wanna join? Can you join?
Eh, join.
Si Che.
Si Che.
Can you join?
What's up to Che, Gata?
Shout to Che.
Jojo, sub.
Sab, Che.
Our friends from Spark It.
Spark it. Nag-spark dito.
Oh, and dito lumiliyap.
Lumiyab eh.
Alright, here we go. Question. Oh, She's not done.
Wait lang, wala pa eh.
May stocking
Si Jojo.
There goes the panties.
Alright.
Hoy! Ito na
boy.
yun.
Oh boy.
Wala, bango yan!
Jojo.
I smell it.
Smell test. Oh!
Ang bango nga.
Tigil-tigil kayo.
Ang bango, ang bango.
Alright, here
Ang
we
bango.
go.
Ang bango.
Here we go. Question.
Do I get to smell the underwear?
Yeah.
How is it? How is it? Bango.
Bulaklak tones.
Dapat pinipig.
Yeah, bulaklak eh. It's like strawberry in Baguio, man.
Strawberry,
Baguio, ah.
strawberry scent.
Alright, here we go. Question.
Wait! Sige, okay.
Alright, question. Can you name me at least 3 hosts besides TVJ from the current cast of East Bulaga?
Wally Wally.
Manalo.
Wally, Jose, and Alden Richard.
Wala na!
No. Jose Manalo.
Doon ako sa Wally Manalo.
Hindi, Wally.
Jojo, you're wrong. Era.
Wally Bayola,
Bayola.
si Manalo, and Ruby Gutierrez.
Not Ruby Gutierrez. Ruby Gutierrez.
You're wrong.
Ruby Gutierrez.
Dixon, Pauline Luna.
Ruby Gutierrez. Colin.
Oh my gosh!
Anyone else?
What'd you say?
Ruby Gutierrez.
Ruby Gutierrez. I got to her.
Ruby Gutierrez.
Parang gusto ko talaga malakit ng tao.
Ruby Gutierrez.
Anyone? Go. You know.
Tito Vic and Joey.
Aside that.
That's it besides TVJ. Okay, everyone take off something.
Ria Guanyo yun eh.
Ruby Gutierrez, man.
Shoes.
Ruby Gutierrez.
Last two.
Ano ba apelido ni Ruby?
Rodriguez, not Gutierrez.
Oh, and you're the one to correct her.
Ano apelido? Hindi, ano?
Wally Manalo.
Jose Bayola.
Jose Manalo and Wally.
Jose Bayola.
Jose Bayola.
Wally Manalo.
Wally Manalo.
Oh gosh, Jojo.
Uy, ito Bulaga. Yan. The Barkads.
Kamukha mo nga si ano.
Sino?
Alright, second last.
Uy, kanalo. Ikaw.
Wait.
Question. What is the nearest star to our planet? What is the nearest star to planet Earth?
I try it.
Yeah, try it. Go try it.
Sun.
Sand or sun?
Sun. Yung araw.
Sounds like you're saying sun.
Si Coach Mok na mabad trip.
Ruby Gutierrez, coach. Kalma.
Coach, don't take it out on your clients tomorrow. Relax.
Coach Mok, kumita ang ulo.
Kalma lang, coach.
Relax, Chief. Relax.
So, your answer, Jojo?
Sun.
Sun is correct.
Yes!
Aray!
Mad.
Last question na, di ba?
Ha? Hindi. May meron pa.
It's coming off.
Last question na.
Wait lang po.
Uy!
Uy!
Napunit! Napunit!
Uy! Ang ganda!
Alin?
Mamma mia!
What did you say?
Mamma mia!
Uy.
Lord,
Lord of the Rings.
bless me, Lord. The Lord is good.
The best meal. Uy!
Whoa.
Boom!
Nang umutot.
May dagya!
You think?
May dagya! May dagya!
Alright, last question.
Alright, here we go.
Yung song naman, di pa ako nakakaano eh. Mga konsyaba kayo eh.
You want another question? You want a bonus?
Wag na, hindi na ako magubad.
Okay na ako. Kotang-kotang.
Oh, Toads, your last question.
Medyo bad trip pa na tayo dito eh.
Suntukan!
Nagkakabad trip pa na tayo sa inyo ha.
Mag-aabangan na sa labas.
Alright, name this song. Come on, Joe. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Oy! My heart, my heart.
My boo?
Jojo, what?
My boo.
What?
My boo?
Wow.
Si Asher yun, hindi ko na matandaan.
Baby. Be my own.
Yes!
My
Yeah! Banda!
Take it off!
Take it up! Take it up! Take it up! Take it up! Take it up!
Wala nang,
Oh my...
wala nang nalalabis sa akin.
Wow.
You're okay na. Up. Okay.
Wala nang nalalabis sa akin.
Yay.
O, tayo na!
I think kailangan natin pumunta ng Baclaran, no? Celebrate ang Baclaran din.
Wow.
Blessings.
Excuse me po.
Wow.
I love the Hollister.
Ano Hollister?
Hollister. It's Hollister. It's holy.
Wala na.
Thank you. Please do promote what you have to. Thank your sponsors.
Okay.
How we can follow you, Era, and also Katrina.
Yeah. So, follow me in my Facebook account, which is Katrina Denise Yap, and my Instagram account, Katrina G Yap, and also my Twitter, Katrina Yap.
Also me. Since wala akong Instagram,
May Friendster ka?
parang na lang Era, Fernandez Era, Rhea Lumapas. Then, hi kay Macmac, Sir Macmac, photographer
Ayan,
ko.
hindi na siya magtatampo.
Yan.
O, tayo.
Alright.
Lavendino. And who else ba? Wait lang, saglit.
Meron din ako.
Baka
Go ahead.
iba siya ko.
Shout out to Bag Eye Restoration, JBLC Talent Management,
Talent High.
Niels and
B3
thanks.
Magazine, Lure Magazine, M Magazine also, Charles Photography, hi Tito Jerry Ilaw, hi Mom, Dad, Sister
Hello,
Brother.
then kay follow Jesus. Then, hi Tito Jerry.
Si Tito Jerry.
Tito Jerry.
Tito Jerry
Nagkabalik
Ilaw.
na.
Yun.
Kapatid ni...
Kasi,
Dito, kapatid ni...
Tita.
Saka sa crush
Ayun,
ko,
then,
Nico Fowler.
pamilya ko, sa Davao. Kasi,
Oy, may gabi sa
Bisaya.
Davao.
Oh, may gabi sa Tanan.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, ladies.
Wala na?
Thank you, guys.
Wala na?
Meron po.
Sorry.
Sige.
Mga crush ko ulit.
Sino crush mo?
Mandip Johan, Max Marafsha, Nico Fowler, Marco Poli, hi, Char. Family ko, hi. Thank you din sa mga supporter ko, Char.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Oy, Talent High, thank you.
Talent, hi. Thank you so much.
Nielsen.
Thank you so much, Talent.
See you guys again tomorrow.
Joe, how can we follow you?
You can follow me on Instagram, Love Survivor, in Twitter, _Love Survivor, and my website, www.jojothelovesurvivor.com.
Yun.
Meron pa po pala.
Oh yeah.
Hi, Grupo Lunes, Magenta Art Studio.
Yan.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed the Taco Tuesday. Tony.
Slick Rick.
MRG.
Jojo Love Survivor.
We're out of here. Good
Yeah,
night.
take care.
The
Be good.
boys are out.
Peace.
Bye.